Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to perform Trivela Shot. To perform Trivela Shot, firstly you have to sprint. Use the strong foot of your player from the opposite side of the box. For example, right now I'm using Vini and I'm on the right side of the box. Now, before shoot, press and hold L2 and then shoot. You can enhance effect of the Trivela Shot by enabling manual aiming. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.